Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can make this beautiful gingerbread tuile at home. This is easy decoration which you can use for your Christmas desserts. So let's do it. The first thing you need for the tuile is obviously gingerbread. So you have basically two options. You can buy some in the shop or you can make your own one. And I'm gonna do the second option today. I will need water, butter, brown sugar, plain flour, eggs, molasses, and for the spices, ground ginger, allspice, cinnamon, cloves, baking powder and salt. Full recipe will be in the description down below, so you can check it out. And I start with mixing hot water, butter, sugar and molasses inside the bowl. In the second bowl, I mix dry ingredients, so flour and all the spices. And the last step is to mix the wet ingredients with the dry ones. I recommend you to use sieve so you don't get any lumps inside. Now I can transfer it on baking tray with baking paper and I'm gonna bake it 170 degrees Celsius around 20 minutes. Gingerbread is ready now, so I can take it out from the oven and I'm gonna leave it to cool down a little bit. And then I cut thin slices because the next step is to dry it completely. So I move it in the dehydrator and I leave it there for a few hours to get completely dry. And the last step I have to do is to mix everything in the blender, so I get basically gingerbread powder. And of course, my food inspector is always here, so let him try my gingerbread as well. I think he never tried one and it looks like he'll love it. So just mix everything until I get fine powder and let's make the tuile. For the base of my tuile, I'm gonna use glucose. So I just put a little bit on baking paper and I spread it slowly. It's a little bit difficult because it's super sticky, but you can do it somehow. And then I'm gonna cover it completely with my gingerbread powder. And I'm gonna bake it 150 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. And you end up with beautiful tuiles like this. They are super crispy and taste delicious. This is great decoration for your Christmas desserts. So good luck and have fun. And if you wanna see another recipe with gingerbread, so you know how to use the rest of it, check out this video and learn how you can make my delicious gingerbread dessert at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.